Let's quickly run through setting the time on a G-Shock DW-9000. To enter our time setting mode, we're simply going to press our adjust button, which is our upper left button. Now we'll see our seconds start flashing. We can zero this by pressing our start stop button, which is our lower right button. To enter the next setting, we're going to press mode. Now we can set our hour using our start and our split button to go forward and reverse. We'll press mode again to enter our next setting, which will allow us to set our minute. Mode again will allow us to set our year. Mode again will allow us to set our month. And mode once more will allow us to set our day. Once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust once more, and now our watch will be set. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please check out the channel and consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.